Good evening, Professor. My name is Gianni Macchio, and today I will be talking about the infamous 2016 Wells Fargo scandal. So to start, I'm going to give you some history into how Wells Fargo's was created. So Henry Wells and Williams Fargo's created an express business on the West Coast, and they called this business Wells Fargo's, and was established in around 1852. And they would be established through this name for the rest of time, even after they were bought up by Northwest. So once Northwest stepped into the picture, Wells Fargo's really started to get these unethical actions going. So this is because of the strategy that Northwest brought on to them after they were bought out. So this strategy was cross-selling, and the idea of this was that if they can build a strong enough relationship with their customer, that they would be more willing to open up accounts under their name. And they became so obsessed with this idea of cross-selling and creating this relationship that they would be putting this unintolerable amount of pressure on these workers and meet such high quotas that workers would start to just create fake accounts in order to meet these high quotas. So the way that these workers would make these accounts is by going into the company's database and finding people that were pre-approved for credit cards. So instead of asking the customers if they wanted to open up an account, they would just open an account under their name for them, which is crazy, right? So after this, they were doing this for around from 2002 to around 2016, and it was thought that almost over 2.5 million accounts were opened up under fake accounts were opened up under their names, which is just crazy, right? So Wells Fargo did not get let off the hook very easily here. They got multiple amounts of fines in the billions under their name. They had to pay out compensation for the people that the fake accounts were open under, and also the federal government even stopped their growing as a business to set a punishment and a strict rule that you can't be doing this. This is not right, and that you should not be doing these actions, and you will face these actions and the repercussions for these actions. So overall, I think that these actions occurred because of the unreasonable quotas and pressure that Wells Fargo put onto their employees. And even though the employees were doing these unethical actions, I feel that it is Wells Fargo's fault for doing this because they were just so obsessed with meeting these quotas and having this um, cross-selling idea go so far that the employees would create this fear and motivation into doing whatever it takes in order to be not punished or fined or fired. It's my bad. So thank you, Professor, for listening. I hope you have a good day.